First, use the Photoshop software to create a spot color channel. Then use the PP software to rip the image. Now open the Print EXP software, click Clean, and then click Z-axis, click Home, and then click Save Exit. Use the automatic height measurement function to scan. Click Setting, and then click Ink Setting. Click WF, and select 3, click OK, and click Save. Open FeiYue Digital Vision. Click Scan. Return to the software, Print EXP, and click Y Reset. Open Scanner Camera, and click Plus. You can see that it is already scanning. After the scan is completed, click the shaded area for the scanned image. Return to the software, FeiYue Digital Vision. Click Open, and select the file. Click Open, and click Original Image. Rotate the pattern to the same angle to cover all shadow parts. If you can't align them all, you can use manual adjustment details. Click Print. Return to the software. Click Net Client. Click Start Printing.